Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. Are you an artist? Are you a painter? You like to draw and paint and do things like that? If so, and you have that kind of talent, you're going to want to stick around for this whole video, because I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money doing that. Alright, we're going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how you can sell your talent for art work and paintings and things like that and make good money doing it. Alrighty, well, if this is your first time to the video, my name is Kevin Lehner, and what we do here is how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and once in a while we throw a motivational video in there as well. Also, if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, or you've been here and you still haven't subscribed yet, reach down there below right now and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Alrighty? Great. Alright, well, with that out of the way, I'm anxious to show this to you, and it's going to be a great way for you to make some extra money, actually quite a lot of money. It could even be a full-time thing for you as well, if that's what you want. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a website that I found, and it's called society6.com. Alright, you see this up here in the address bar right here, society6.com. Alright, now what you can see here on this site, that people are selling their talents, and in a lot of different ways, mainly in terms of artwork. As we see here, you have art, wall art, home decor, furniture, bed and bath, tabletop, office tech, apparel and bags, outdoor and lifestyle, and featured and different things here. Even they have children's art too, if you like drawing children's art. Alright, so this site, as you can see, features a lot of different work from people all over the world that are selling their talents. And you can do the same as well here on this site here. Now, we'll take a look at some of the wall art, here's some of the art prints that they have here. And you can see that these are just people like you that are talented artists, and they just draw these things either on paper or canvas or whatever. Of course, you can draw on canvas. They have canvas prints over here too, but these are just probably paper drawings here and stuff, and are done, or drawings also probably done online or whatever too. But either way, you can. The whole idea of this is you're going to upload your work. This can be done for free. It's 100% free. It can be done anywhere in the world. Okay, it doesn't matter where you're from, and it's all from home, online, right? This is how you're going to make money online from home for free. Doesn't cost anything to join this site either. Alright, so as you can see, some of the artwork from some of the people here, even it looks like even some photographs as well. Okay, most of this is hand-drawn artwork though. We see some of them. We'll look at some of the framed prints that people have done, and they have uploaded to this. And what happens is you'll upload it to this site, and when someone purchases your artwork, they will actually do the print and the shipping and all the customer service and all of that for you too, so there's no cost in anything. All it is you do the creative work, get it up to this site, and they take care of everything else, and you get paid when someone purchases your artwork, right? As you can see, for some of these framed prints here, look at these prices here: $80, $49 or $50, another $50 one, $50, $51, $52, $46, and you see the prices down there. And these are all hand done, except some of them appear to be photos as well too here, as you can see. And these are all hand done framed prints here. And so and some they even got it on, it's on canvas. If you do canvas printing, painting. They can put it on canvas and ship it to your customer. Look for the prices here, about $99. There's $108, $99. These are around $100 for these paintings here that people are selling, just like you. Okay, and then there's some under. If we come back up here, there's. Let me go back here to this back page here. There we go. And then we got home decor. If you'd like to do artwork on tapestry, this is also for you. As you can see here, people do work even on cloth or tapestry artwork. You can see some of the artworks. It doesn't look. Some of this doesn't even look like it's that hard to do. I don't know if you're. I imagine you're probably better than that, right? What you're seeing right here. Some of this looks really, really pretty good. Hand-drawn work here. This is kind of neat. Looks like neon drawing right here. $45 for that. These are around $45, it looks like. Alright, so you can see sort of what can be done here with what you can do. Okay? Some of this artwork here. Now, the question is how do you get started, right? You want to know how you can get started selling your artwork on this site. Alright, so anyway, so you come to society6.com and you see this front page here, and you can either join right up here for free, and you can sign up with a local account with just your email address and password, or you can sign up with your Twitter account or your Facebook account. Either one of those three ways will get you signed up there. That's one way, and then there's another way here. But what you want to do is, when you come to this site, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom here. Alright, and down here at the bottom, you see this down here, and you come under where it says help right here. See that? And then you come down to where you see it says sell your art. Click on sell your art. And that brings you over to this page right here. It says every purchase pays an artist. Start selling on Society 6. And if we scroll down, it says our mission is to empower creative expression. We support artists both seasoned and new by providing a marketplace for selling their original work, helping them find their voice and connecting them with fellow artists and customers across the world. Like I said, this is worldwide, okay? And it's all free. If you have art within you, we want you to join Society 6. Plain and simple, they say. And then you can see some of the other things that they talk about here. It says showcase your artwork, whether art is your main focus or your side hustle. We offer you the opportunity to exercise yourself creatively and showcase your work on an ever-expanding range of products. And then a variety of products. We offer a best-in-class array of wall art, home decor, furniture, apparel, and lifestyle products for you to enable. And so, in fact, whatever you upload to their site, it sounds like, they can put it on anything for you. Depends on how you want to sell it, I guess. And our dedicated merchandisers are always looking for new and high-quality products to add to your shop. Focus on what matters. Wherever you are in the world, we have a team of experts that will fulfill, print and ship, market and handle customer service, all for you, so you can get back to creating. So see, it's like I mentioned earlier. You don't have to deal with anything. You just upload your artwork, and they take care of all the book work, the customer service, and all the overhead is covered by Society 6 here, according to what I'm reading here, right? And that what you see too, the same thing right here. Now, find your people. It says we attract millions of diverse, art-focused customers from across the world looking to discover new artists. And then it says join and add unique designs to their everyday. And it says join a community down here. It says we have a thriving artist community dedicated to supporting one another with artist education, trend reports, and creative feedback. Because as one succeeds, we all succeed. Now, if we look back up here, it says here we attract millions of diverse art-focused customers from across the world. Well, let's take a look at that and see. Let's see how many people come to this website and look at art or buy art from this website, right? So if I come over here to Chrome, and you see I have Society 6 loaded up here in Chrome, and I'm going to open up my similar web extension right up here in the top of the browser. So if we click on that, and it loads up society6.com, and if we scroll down here and I get this up, you can see it. Their monthly visits here, folks, about 4 million people. Guys, that's a lot of traffic to sell your artwork and your talent on. 4 million people per month come to this website looking for art, to purchase art in many different types of things, either tapestries, under throw pillows, shower curtains, comforters, window curtains, wall art, home decor, furniture. It's even, they can print it onto furniture, bed and bath, tabletop. How about travel mugs? They can even put it on travel mugs or coffee cups and those types of things. Coffee mugs. I mean, we'll take a look at some of those coffee mugs there. Look at that. You can have your designs put on people's coffee mugs, and then people can purchase the coffee mug with your work on it. That's pretty nice. So anyways, now it talks about, here's some testimony. Society 6 represents some of the best artists, so naturally I feel so lucky to be amongst such talented folks. I have gained a ton of followers on Instagram and have been reached out to by people who have found me on Society 6 for other creative opportunities. And then here's how it works. They show you right here how you get started on this. One, it says upload your work. Create your account and start uploading your artist to your artist shop. So you'll have sort of your account will be designated as your shop, your art shop. And then number 2 is design plus enable products. Enable a best-in-class array of wall art, home decor, furniture, apparel, and lifestyle products. And number 3, start selling. Promote your work and watch the earnings roll in. Number 4, sit back. We fulfill, print, and ship everything so you can get back to doing what you love and create more artwork. And then here's some of the different products that they have that they can put your prints on, right? And now some of the frequently asked questions here are for probably the number one thing you're going to be interested in is how much money you're going to make, right? Well, we go look at these frequently asked questions. It says, can anyone sell on Society 6? And the answer to that is yes. Anyone can sign up and be an artist. We make selling your art simple. Just create it, and then we'll sell it through our platform, basically. Here it says. And then it says, what can I sell? Original art in all forms. Whether you are a photographer, fine artist, graphic designer, typography, or you're just getting started on finding your style, Society 6 is for you. Simply upload your designs and we make it easy to enable a wide variety of product categories from wall art and so on and so forth. And then now right here it says, how do artists' earnings work? Let's click on this here and we see every purchase pays an artist. Society 6 artists earn 10% of every sale, plus there are a few other ways to add to your earnings. For art prints, framed prints, and canvas prints, artists have control over their markup, so you can charge whatever price that you want for your artwork and can set their own prices above the standard 10%. Additionally, artists have the opportunity to join our affiliate program. So they've got an affiliate program. You can refer other people to Society 6 under you and get an additional 10% on the sales that they refer. Alright, so that's a pretty good thing. You can have an affiliate program in this as well. And it says your earnings, artist earnings, are paid via PayPal on the first business day of each month and credited 30 days after the shipment of each order. So you get a steady flow of money coming in. This could be pretty regularly, and you can make quite a lot of money here. And they have even education. They have like a blog here where you can learn about doing different types of work here. How to sell your art online with Society 6, every question about it answered, somebody's article, and another 5 simple tips to write the perfect artist bio. So what you'll do is you'll come here and you'll just, when you click over here to sell art on their thing, you just click on any one of these yellow buttons here that says get started, and then it brings you over here, and you'll fill out this little join thing right here. Like I said, you could either join up here or you can do it down here as well. This is probably, I suppose, if you want to create or start selling your artwork, you're going to want to come here and fill this one out right here. Simply just create your username just like any other account you would fill out on the web, right? And then create a display name. This is how others will see your name on your listings and your profile. Let's put your email address in there, and then you'll create a password, and then check the CAPTCHA here that I'm not a robot, and then just click on sign up, and you can start selling your artwork on Society 6 and get paid pretty handsomely, it looks like to me. Alrighty guys, well, that's what I had for you guys today, particularly you guys that are artists and talented painters and things like that. Wanted to show you how you can get paid for your work and your talent. Alright guys, well don't forget to reach down there if you want to get out of your 9 to 5 or your day job where it just sucks the life out of you and takes your time up and it keeps you from being able to enjoy your life from your family and so on and so forth. Be sure to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you can get out of that rat race today. Alright? Check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Also give me a thumbs up if you found some value in this video. And I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll catch up with you here again in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.